हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ साहब। विल डिस्कस एग्जांपल्स एंड एक्सरसाइज 5.3 of chapter 5, that is data handling of class 8 mathematics NCERT, and the questions are based on probability. This is part 7. So here is the example on your screen. Try this. If you try to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? आप अपने स्कूटर को स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए क्या पॉसिबल आउटकम्स होगा? देखिए, देयर विल बी ओनली टू पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. फर्स्ट, इट विल स्टार्ट, नंबर वन. और सेकंड, कैन नॉट स्टार्ट. This is the answer of the very first part. अगर if you want to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? अगर आपका स्कूटर ठीक है, ये स्टार्ट हो सकता है. स्कूटर आपका ओल्ड है, इंजन में दिक्कत है, फ्यूल नहीं है, ये स्टार्ट नहीं भी हो सकता है. So there are two possible outcomes, and this is the answer of the very first part of this question. The second question is, when a die is thrown, what are the 6 possible outcomes? See here, ये die है, and when we throw this die, there are 6 possible outcomes. First, it can be 1. For the second question, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, or it can be 6. So this is the answer of the second part, and this is the answer of the first part. ये दो आपके बना हुआ है, डॉट्स बना हुआ है, और there are 6 faces on a cube. किसी वन पे 1 2 3 4, देखिए किसी कितना है, 1 2 5, and this is 4, and this side is 6. Its opposite side is 1, its opposite side is 3, and its opposite side is 2. So there are 6 possible outcomes of when a die is thrown. जब एक die को throw करते हैं तो हमें 6 possible outcomes मिलते हैं, और वो हैं 1 और 2 और 3 और 4 और 5 और 6. Next, when you spin the wheel shown as shown here, what are the possible outcomes? List them. See here. Here are the 3 possible outcomes of question number 3 here. It can be A, it can be B, or it can be C. So this is the answer of the third part of this question. This is A or B or C. 3 possible outcomes hai. Here are 3 possible outcomes. And for question number 4, you have a bag with 5 identical balls. Identical balls means एक जैसी ball of different color, and you are to pull out of a ball without looking it. आपके पास 5 different color की ball है, और उसमें से एक आप लेना चाहते हो, तो किसी एक का जो what is the ball looking at it, list the outcomes you would get. Now outcomes can be the color A. Here are different colors. We can select the color is A, the color is B, can be the color, C can be the color, D can be the color, and E can be the color. And out of this, if you wish to choose any one color, so 1 upon 5, that will be the probability of getting one color out of 5 colors. हमने ये अपनी मर्जी से randomly we can say A, B, C, D, E are the colors here, because colors are not given. Color here is not given. Only 5 colors are given. These are the identical balls but having the different colors. That is why list the outcomes you would get. There are 5 outcomes, and probability of getting one color is 1 out of 5. A very interesting question. Think, discuss, and write. Does the first player have a greater chance of getting 6? ये टोटल ये प्लेयर्स हैं, क्या फर्स्ट प्लेयर के पास से ज्यादा चांसेस होंगे 6 के? नो, वी कैन से दीज आर इक्वली लाइकली, सबके बराबर बराबर चांस होते हैं, ऑल हैव इक्वल चांसेस, तो वी कैन से नो. Second, would the player who played after him, means on the second number, have a lesser chance to getting a 6? No, all have equal chances. It depends on the player, not on the number you are on the first number or second number or third number. And third, suppose the second player got a 6, second player के पास means 6 रन बना लिए, does it mean that the third player would not have a chance of getting 6? No, उसके पास भी उतने ही चांसेस हैं जितने फर्स्ट प्लेयर के पास थे, सेकंड प्लेयर के पास थे और थर्ड प्लेयर के पास थे. नो वन इज हैविंग लेसर चांस और नो वन इज हैविंग ग्रेटर चांस. दैट्स ऑल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 3. A bag has 4 red ball and 2 yellow balls. Total balls we can say here, red balls 4, yellow balls, that is 2. Total balls 4 plus 2, that is 6. All balls are identical, so getting any ball, they all are having equal chances. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag. What is the probability of getting a red ball? So, probability of getting a red ball, this is P stand for probability, means how many means red balls are there? 4 out of 6. On cancellation, that is 2 upon 3. Answer: 4 red balls out of 6 balls. So getting a red ball, that is 4 by 2, 6, means we can say 2 by 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Answer. Number 2, is it more or less giving getting a yellow ball? Yes. Probability of getting a yellow ball, yellow balls are only 2 balls, so that is 2 upon 3. Yes, that is 2 upon 3. Sorry, 2 upon 6. 2 upon 6, that is 1 by 3. 2 ball out of 6 balls. So that is 1 by 3. So therefore we can say probability of getting yellow ball is less, because probability of getting a red ball is 2 by 3 and probability of getting a yellow ball is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 2 by 3, so we can say probability of getting a yellow ball is less. So this is the answer of this question. We can say yes. We can say here it is less. Next, listen. Suppose you spin the wheel, read the question carefully, list the number of outcomes of getting a green sector. These are sectors, and not getting a green sector on this wheel. List all these, so we can say green sector and not green sector. So the answer of the first is, you can have red, you can have green, and these are red, then green, then there are means 2. Either you will be getting or a red or a green, means green sector or red sector. Yes, this is the answer of the first part. Find the probability of getting a green sector. Green sector means probability of getting a green sector. देखिए, ये यहाँ पे टोटल है, वी कैन काउंट हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Out of 8, you can count green 1 2 3 4 5. So getting a green sector, that is 5 upon 8 answer. Number 2, probability of not getting a green sector. जो green नहीं है, it means red है, तो देखिए probability of getting not green sector मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग आउट ऑफ 8 ग्रीन कितना नहीं है, देखिए जहां पे रेड है 1 2 एंड 3, सो दैट इज 3/8 और 3/8 आंसर. नॉट ग्रीन में वो है जहां पे रेड है, देखिए 1 2 एंड 3, सो 3 आउट ऑफ 8. So that is the answer of the second part. This is the answer of the third part of this question. Now, exercise 5.3. List the outcomes you can see in these experiment. So we can say here, outcomes A is there, B is there, C is there, and D is there. That is the answer. We do not repeat here A. Yes, A 2 times here, but we write only once. So these are the outcomes A, B, C, or D. This is the answer of the A part of question number 1. A, B, C, D, A. A is written twice. So A twice आया है, दो बार आया है, but we write only once. Now the part B, what are the means outcomes when tossing 2 coins? 2 coins आपको एक साथ toss करेंगे, आप तो क्या probability है? So I am writing here probability of outcomes when a coin is tossed once. एक बार जब आप कॉइन टॉस करेंगे, there are 2 possibilities, head or tail. But here it is given there are 2 coins, tossing 2 coins at a time. 2 कॉइन है और एक साथ आपको इनको टॉस करना है. देखिए कॉइन्स हैं. So I am writing here second part of it. Outcomes when 2 coins are tossed together. एक साथ 2 कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे, देखिए क्या आएगा. इट कैन बी हेड मीन्स फर्स्ट पे हेड, इट कैन बी हेड टेल, it can be tail head और it can be tail. फर्स्ट पे हेड आ सकता है, सेकंड पे भी हेड आएगा. फर्स्ट पे हेड, सेकंड पे टेन, फर्स्ट पे टेल, सेकंड पे हेड, एंड फर्स्ट पे टेल और सेकंड पे भी टेल. सो देयर आर 4 possible outcomes when a coin is tossed twice. 2 बार और 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. 2 coins को एक साथ आप टॉस करें या एक कॉइन को 2 बार टॉस करें, that is one and the same thing. So that is the answer of the second part of it. Yes, these are possible outcomes. Question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of gating. So first of all, we have to write total possible outcomes when a die is thrown. जब एक die को हम throw करते हैं तो 6 possibilities बनती है. देखिए, total possible outcomes. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6. Total 6 possible outcomes are there. And now first part, that is A, prime numbers. देखिए इसमें प्राइम नंबर है. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so 2 is prime number. Then 3 is prime number. And then 5 is prime number. And the B part of it, not a prime number. Means here we can write not a prime number. जो prime number नहीं है. One is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number, and 6 is not a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 ना तो prime number होता है और ना ही composite number होता है. So prime numbers are, there are 3 prime numbers, and not a prime number means 1, 4, 6. These are not prime numbers. And second, A part, a number greater than 5. So we can write a number greater than 5, and that is only 1, and this is 6. केवल एक ही नंबर है. This number 6 is greater than 5. And B part of it, a number not greater than 5. वो नंबर जो 5 से बड़ा नहीं है. So we can write a number not greater than 5. That could be 1, that could be 2, that could be 3, that could be 4, and that could be 5. 5 भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये नहीं पूछा कि ये लेस देन 5, ये पूछा द नंबर शुड नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 5. 5 से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. सो द पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the answers of these questions. These are possible outcomes. Example 3, question number 3. Find the probability of pointer on D in question number 1. ये question number 1 है. देखिए question 1 है, उसका A part ये है कि when these are the what is the probability of getting D in this case. So in question number 1, we can write here the probability. P short में probability को P लिखते हैं. P of getting D. आप बताइए क्या आंसर आएगा. हाउ मेनी डीज आर देयर? ओनली 1 डी इज हियर. सो 1 आउट ऑफ टोटल कितने काउंट करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अगेन काउंट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the probability? 1 out of 5, and this is the answer of this question. Probability of getting D in this case will be 1 upon 5. And now question number 2, means B part here. Probability of getting an S from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Students, ये सारे के सारे playing cards होते देखिए. ये black, that is said to be spade. This is also black, said to be club. That is red, said to be means heart. This is also red, said to be a diamond. ये जो बना हुआ है ये एस है, इसको हिंदी में इक्का कहते हैं. 1 2 3 4. टोटल कितने देखिए? 52. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, टोटल 52 प्लेइंग कार्ड्स होते हैं. उनमें से एस कितने हैं? 1 2 3 and 4. So answer of B part, we can write here the answer of B, that is 4 upon 52, means out of 52 playing cards there are 4 means essays, that is 1 upon 13. Answer. This is the answer of part B. And for part C, probability of getting a red apple. देखिए इतनी सारी एप्पल्स है, ग्रीन रेड 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 ग्रीन रेड एंड ग्रीन. टोटल एप्पल्स कितने एप्पल्स है देखिए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. फिर से काउंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So probability of getting a red apple, that is out of 7 how many? अब रेड एप्पल कितनी देखिए आप यहाँ? 1 2 3 and 4. अगेन 1 2 3 and 4. ये 4 रेड एप्पल है आउट ऑफ 7. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी of getting a red apple? That is 4 upon 7. Answer. Next question. A number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. 10 separate slip है और उसमें 1 से 10 हमने लिखा. देखिए, we can write like this. We can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. These numbers we write on separate slip. ये देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slip. And now means one number on one slip, लेकिन total outcomes इतने होंगे. Kept in a box and mixed well. इन सबको एक बॉक्स में रखा और मिक्स किया सब ढंग से. One slip is chosen from the box without looking it. What is the probability of getting a number 6? So first part of it. Probability of getting a number 6. देखिए 6 केवल एक ही नंबर है. देखिए रही वो काउंट करो इनको. 1 1. यस, दैट इज 1 आउट ऑफ 10. टोटल 10 स्लिप्स है 1 से लेके 10 तक. उसमें से केवल हमें एक नंबर लेना है, दैट इज 6. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी? 1 अपॉन 10. आंसर. Second, getting a number less than 6. Less than 6 numbers are, you will see here, these are the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. These are the numbers less than 6. तो काउंट करें कितने हैं ये? 1 2 3 4 5 out of 10. So probability of getting a number less than 6, that is out of 10, how many? 5, or on cancellation that is 1 upon 2 आंसर। फिर से काउंट करते देखिए कितने, 1 2 3 4 and 5। For the third part, yes, getting a number greater than 6, ग्रेटर देन 6 नंबर्स आर, देखिए 6 से बड़ा हो तो 7 8 9 10, 6 से बड़ा ग्रेटर देन 6, 7 8 9 10, तो कितने नंबर हुए, 1 2 3 and 4। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी of getting a number greater than 6 will be out of 10 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, so 2 upon 5 आंसर। काउंट फिर से करते हैं, 1 2 3 4, कितने में से, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 में से 4 है तो इनको कैंसिल कर दीजिए, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, so 2 by 5 आंसर। एंड फोर्थ, गेटिंग अ वन डिजिट नंबर देखिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट नंबर है, इसको नहीं लेंगे हम, वी हैव टू टेक ओनली 1 डिजिट नंबर। काउंट करें कितने हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। सो P stand for probability of getting, ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे, getting a number, getting a one digit number, that is out of 10 9, and this is आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। एक डिजिट नंबर 9 है 10 नंबर में से, तो इसका जो आंसर है दैट इज 9/10। सो वी हैव गिवन द आंसर्स ऑफ ऑल पार्ट्स, फर्स्ट पार्ट 1/10, सेकंड पार्ट 1/2, थर्ड पार्ट 2/5 and fourth part that is 9/10। So that's all. Thank you. Thanks.